Jollyfied Elf. Welcome to my first 2 Christmas card classes of the 2018 Holiday Card Series. I know it's the end of September, but we're crafters and we get started on these things early, and I want to make sure that I'm able to get at least 4 to 6 classes up and ready to go for you guys before we get to November. So the first 2 classes are some of my favorite products in the holiday catalog from Stampin' Up! And I'm trying to offer 2 different price points, number 1, and then 2 different bundles. So the first bundle will be one that has dies or framelits that will need a Big Shot, Vagabond, Cuttlebug, something that cuts wafer thin dies. And the other one I'm going to try to do a punch. That way, for those of you who don't own a Big Shot, etc., can still participate. So let's talk about the first one. The first one is the Santa's Workshop. Now this is my favorite suite in the holiday catalog. I love the paper, I love the stamp set, I love the dies, I love all of it. And what's really great about this set is that it's fun, it's whimsical, you can color if you want to, but also the dies coordinate with the paper. So let's start with what you're going to get in this kit. You're going to get the Signs of Santa bundle. So this is a photopolymer stamp set. So you're going to get the stamp set and you're going to get the coordinating framelits. Now your framelits will come in an envelope. I like to store mine with, I've already created the classes. This is the first time I've ever done that. I normally don't design ahead of time, but I did. So I'll make sure that you see a preview of all the cards that you're going to be making. So this is going to be a big class. You're going to get a lot of product and you're going to get a lot of projects. So again, you're going to get the Signs of Santa bundle, so the photopolymer stamp set, and you're also going to get the coordinating framelits. You're going to get 12 sheets of the Santa's Workshop Designer Series paper. This is specialty Designer Series paper, so it has flocking. I'm sure you guys can hear that. You're going to get 12 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of 6 designs in Designer Series paper. So here's the first. And again, one side is flocked. I love this snowman right here. He's like, I'm taking a nap. So cute. This one is hilarious. I think this may be the only sheet that isn't flocked. But I love how you can cut these down and make a border. So cute. And I love, love, love that polka dot. The framelits cut out these images so they all coordinate. So it will cut out these elves, this elf, and this elf, and then it'll cut out this Santa. Cute, right? You're going to get some enamel shapes. Now you're going to get a whole entire set. I've used some, but it comes with snowflakes, trees, these bows, and then some coordinating dots. You're going to get a roll of this textured weave ribbon. This ribbon is so pretty. This is Poppy Parade, and it has the white trim. This is so easy to tie a bow. I absolutely love it. And then you're going to get some markers because we are going to be doing some coloring. So included in the kit, you're going to get the Shaded Spruce blend. Now the color in this paper is actually Garden Green, but Shaded Spruce is the closest color match to that, and it looks really great with it. And then you're also going to get a set of Poppy Parade. Now that's everything that you're going to pay for that's included in the kit. You're also going to get supplies to make 8 projects. You're getting 2 each of 4 designs. You're getting cardstock. You're also going to get a special envelope class. I'm going to show you how to decorate a few envelopes. You're going to get videos, and you're going to get PDF tutorial, not tutorials, project list, and a supply list along with measurements, etc. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, and then you're also going to get your choice of either the bronze or the ivory skin tone marker. One of these is going to be free. You're welcome to add on if you want to. So if you want both, it'll be $4.50. They're $4.50 a piece. If you need to, let's say you already have all of these colors and you want to substitute with blends that you don't have already, we can absolutely do that. So this class is a little bit more expensive. Like I said, you're getting a ton of product. And it's going to go a long way. And so this class is $99. That includes the retail price of all the product, taxes, and shipping. So this will come to you on or around the 15th of October. It will come to you, you'll get all the supplies along with the cards, the supplies to make the cards, your packets. Oh my gosh, brain. So yeah, so let me, if you have any questions, there is a coordinating blog post that I will link down below. And you have until Saturday the 29th to sign up. There is a Google Doc or Google form that you fill out, ask you questions. You're welcome to buy one class or both, and I'm going to go over the other class, and then I'll talk about pricing, and then I will review everything I just told you. And I apologize that I'm talking 4,000 miles an hour. I have a tendency to do that. So let me clean this up, and I'll come right back and we'll talk about the other class. All right, guys, class number 2 is the Candy Cane Season, and we're using the Candy Cane Season photopolymer stamp set. You can see mine is well loved. Now, they are going to stain. That means they're high quality photopolymer. It doesn't affect how you use them. You just want to make sure that you're cleaning them. I suggest a Stampin' Scrub. That's what I use at home. You can get this through my Stampin' Up! Store. I just spray with my Stampin' Mist. And then you have a wet dry side and a dry side. These pop out. My husband just throws them in the dishwasher for me, and they are clean, and I do that probably once every 2 weeks, especially when I'm using red ink. So yeah. So you're gonna get that along with the coordinating punch. You're also gonna get 12 pieces of the Santa's Workshop Designer Series papers. So if you end up buying both classes, you're gonna end up with a ton, so you can easily make multiples. You're gonna get a roll of the Poppy Parade mini striped ribbon. I absolutely love this ribbon, and the card, one of the cards I used it on turned out so stinking cute. And then you're gonna get your choice of 2 ink pads. So you can either get Coastal Cabana and Fleur de Flamingo, because you guys know me, if you've been following me, I have to make at least one card that is non-traditional. And these are 2 of the colors that are in one of the cards. Or you can get Poppy Parade and Garden Green. Now when you get your ink pads, they're all gonna be this new classic stamp pad. I haven't switched over my existing stamp pads yet. Now, just like with the other bundle, if you already have these colors, you can absolutely substitute with something that you don't have. Now this bundle is $72, and again, it includes, you're gonna get 6 supplies to make 6 cards, so you're getting 2 each of 3 designs rather than the 4. Another reason why it's a little bit cheaper. But you're still going to get project lists, you're going to get video tutorials, and you're going to get a bonus envelope decorating. Now all of your cards will come with envelopes, so you'll have everything ready. You can just slap a stamp on it, an address, and get it in the mail once you're done crafting. So this class is $72, and like I said, it does include the retail price of the product and then shipping and taxes. Now, if you're interested in buying both classes, you can purchase both classes and save $10. And the reason why you're able to save $10 is because of the shipping. I can ship everything to you bundled together. So yeah, so guys, thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, there is a coordinating blog post that's linked down below where you'll fill out the form, and then I will send you a PayPal invoice. You'll have 24 hours to pay that invoice. Like I said, you'll have until Saturday the 29th to purchase, because I am placing my order on September 30th. That way I have plenty of time to get our order in, get everything cut and ready to go. The projects are already designed, but I haven't pre-cut anything for kits because I didn't want to have a bunch of kits left over. So I do all that once, and that way I know how much cardstock and etc. I have to. That's all behind the scenes stuff you really that you really don't necessarily need to know. But if you want to know, that's kind of how things happen. So the next class will be announced probably October 1st. And then we'll do October 1st through the 15th. So like I said, if you're interested, make sure you go get signed up. Again, 24 hours to pay your PayPal invoice. I can only ship to the US. If you are outside the US, I'm sorry. You will be able to purchase the PDF of the class, and that won't be available until probably toward the end of October. I want my class participants to have a chance to get theirs and create their projects before I offer up the tutorials for sale. So yeah, all right guys, thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, let me know if you have any questions. would be happy to answer them. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a paper pumpkin unboxing. Happy Sunday. Bye for now.